Alright, y'all. Well, last video we had with trout fishing. This is the same day we got home and all. I decided to come down to the reservoir and do some fishing, see if there's any fish in here anymore. Because last few times we ain't caught nothing out here. So I'm trying again. Y'all can see where I'm at, right on the riverside. And then everything right there. Up underneath the bridge down here. So we're gonna see what I can do today as far as fishing. And if I catch something, I'm gonna do a catch and cook out here. I'll make it happen one way or another. It's catch and cook is gonna happen. So y'all be on the lookout for the rest of this video. Alright, y'all, like and subscribe. See you soon. Alright, y'all, well, first cast out. And then we got this little baby brim. Beggars can't be choosy. Y'all see that? Yep, right there. He gonna be some dinner. Alright, y'all. Stay tuned for more. This is just the first one. Alright, y'all, well, I only caught the one fish so far, but I come down here and I'm looking at all this right here. This is good crawdadding. So I'm gonna do some crawdadding. See if I can catch a crawdad or two. Like I said, we're gonna do a catch and cook today. I don't know what it's gonna be, but we're gonna get it. Maybe a snake. We'll see. Unless I get lucky and catch a big enough fish to actually satisfy my appetite. Alright, y'all. Well, let me get down in here and search for these crawdads, and if I catch any, I'll let you know. Alright, y'all, well, crawdad hunting sucks, so I'm taking a trip to the woods. A little trail down through here. I had to go before to make sure there wasn't no spiders on it. Oh, come back and get my fishing pole. Alright. And we're up here in the boondocks, doing what we do best. Woo! Out here in the lake. Well, the little river behind the, what you call it. There's a fish over there. Alright, y'all, be back with you soon. Alright, y'all, guess what? Fish number 2. I'll let the first one go, it's too small. This one, this little brim right here, will be eaten. Get kind of hungry. I'm gonna eat this one tonight. Alright, y'all. Stay tuned for more. I'm still fishing. Alright, y'all. Fish number 3. There's fish number 1 down in the basket. There's fish number 2 that I'm gonna eat. Fish number 1, I'll let go. Good luck. That's what I always say. Here we go. So we got some a couple fish now. Let's catch one more. Alright, y'all, well, fish 3, or actually be fish number 4 since I let one go, but this be fish number 3 we're eating. Alright, I'll be back with y'all when I got the campfire going. See y'all. Alright, y'all, well, I got the fire going. I got me 3 little fishes right there, cleaned up and ready to go. All I gotta do is cook them up and eat them. And hope that nobody calls the people out here on me, because they might kick me out of here. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all, well, I got my first fish frying. Got me a can and I got it frying up. Gonna eat this thing. See what it tastes like. I ain't got no seasoning, so be back with y'all soon. Alright, y'all, this is my setup. Between some rocks. Got 1 fish on a stick. 1 fish on an old can I found. That'd be the first one eaten. I got the 3rd one sitting over here waiting to be eaten. This is how we do it. Improvise. Alright, y'all. Things are coming together, y'all. Getting this fish all cooked up. Got this one cooked. Now I'm cooking this one. Trying to get it all cooked up. This is 2 out of 3. Gonna make it happen. All right, y'all. Stay tuned for more. All right, I finally got my brim the way I want it. Got the other one on the smoke. I'm eating this one. This is what I'm talking about right here. That's how you eat some fish right off the river. Just like that. That's some good stuff right here. Yep. I'm about to kill these fish out. Here y'all go. Up underneath the bridge. See y'all on the next one. Alright, y'all. Like, subscribe. Alright, y'all. My last fish. Got them pretty. That was pretty crispy. Top end is good. See y'all. Ooh, it's hot. Pull them fins off though. That's hot. 1 second. Kind of white that meat is inside. Let's see. There we go. Now I gotta take these little tiny bones. Yeah, little tiny bones right there. Take them out. You don't want to eat those. They get stuck in your teeth and in your throat. And just push on the skin like this right here. Push on it. You got all that meat right there. There. Little bone. Get bones every once in a while. But it's good though. Little sand in it. Then you can take it and most time you can, there you go. Peel away the backbone with that. Throw it away. Oops. Left some bones behind. So you don't want to eat those. Choker bones. They will choke you. And there's some little tiny ones too. I hope y'all can see it on camera. A little tiny one. Then you got a little bit of skeleton left, like that's what I try to break off right there. There we go. Once you eat one side, come out with bones like that. You don't want to eat those. You just want to eat what's in the middle. That's good. Make sure you chew good so you won't swallow the bone. And you get left with skin. You throw it out, and that's what you get. Get a good old-fashioned fishing dinner. Then you gotta clean up. So we good. Yeah, that's the end of this video. And I'll be making another one soon. I've been fishing here for about 2 hours, and I've only caught 4 brims, sorry. Let the first one go. But if anything else happens, I'll post it. Alright, see y'all soon. Like and subscribe.